Holy...
Yeah, he's stuck like hell. I haven't seen someone stuck this badly in a long time. Yeah, we're initiating Valhalla Protocol Alpha. Roger that, sir. We have to become all of the people from Danny's life who shaped him and made his heart pump the most blood. We have to find out the reason why he's still holding on. We have to challenge him. We have to love him. We may even have to hurt him. But we have to force him to let go. Hey guys, you're late, 726. Yeah, sorry. I didn't know we were getting 4 operators. I'm probationary. Probationary? Why the hell do we have a probie on this mission? HQ directed it. Okay, fine, kid. This mission is touchy. Keep quiet and do what you're told. Yes, sir.
Why not just take him straight to combat and be done with it?
Nah, his grip is too tight. Could be dangerous. I want to try to shake him loose without taking him back to war. Do you traditionally go against standard retrieval protocols? For this one, I am.
You know the subject, sir?
Master Surgeon Peyton and I knew each other before I ascended. This is against protocol, sir.
You are conflicted, sir. Perhaps another operator should take point on retrieval.
Hey! That is the last time my command will be questioned. Do you understand? It's fading. We better get to it. Hit him hard up front, pre-combat. Got me?
Yes, sir.
Let's get moving.